Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best leather making tools is probably one of the most essential investments a budding artisan or seasoned craftsman can make, offering the precision and durability required to transform raw hides into exquisite leather goods, from intricate wallets and sturdy belts to elegant bags and custom apparel, empowering creators to bring their unique visions to life with unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail. Number 5. 273 Pieces Leather Working Tools and Supplies Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for your leatherworking projects. It comes neatly organized in a durable toolbox, ensuring you can start crafting right away without losing any essential pieces. Easily repair and embellish leather and fabric items with our included rivets and fixing tools. Perfect for adding a personal touch to clothing, bags, and accessories, making them uniquely yours. Unleash your creativity with a variety of stamps, including letters and numbers. Personalize your leather goods like wallets and key cases, leaving a lasting and unique impression on your handmade items. Achieve professional results with our sharp hole punch and adjustable groover. Effortlessly create clean stitches and grooves on leather, making projects like belts and bags a breeze to assemble. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, this kit is designed for you. It's also a fantastic gift for friends and family who love DIY and leather crafting. Crafted for longevity, this kit features durable tools designed for repeated use. The included toolbox ensures your supplies are protected and readily accessible for all your crafting needs. What we like. This kit comes with a durable leather toolbox, keeping everything organized and ready for your next project. If you're looking for a comprehensive set that prioritizes long-term storage and immediate usability, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to avoid losing tools and start crafting right away. What people say. The variation of tools in a case with a basic instructional booklet sold me. This kit was great to take to class the next morning and match the quality of tools that my instructor provided during class. I am very happy with the variety and quality of this set. I am able to make all my sheaths, no problem. I also love how much wax string is in this kit. The tools are sturdy and function well. Number 4. 183 PCS Leather Working Tool Kit. Introducing a comprehensive 183-piece leather working kit designed for all your crafting needs. It includes everything you need to get started on your DIY projects. Keep your workbench tidy with the included durable leather tool holder. It features multiple slots to neatly store your stamps, punches, and brushes. This kit provides a wide array of tools, including stamping tools, a cutting mat, hammer, hole punch, and edge creaser. It's perfect for working with leather, canvas, fabric, and more. Unleash your creativity and craft unique items like bags, belts, and jackets. The included rivet snap buckle and installation tool add a professional touch to your creations. Effortlessly handle leather and cloth repairs with the included snaps and rivet set. With 324 pieces in 4 colors, you have plenty of options for customization and mending. This kit is an ideal present for both beginners and experienced crafters. It makes a unique and thoughtful gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion for DIY enthusiasts. What we like. Featuring a high-quality leather tool holder with numerous slots, this kit keeps your workspace tidy and your tools accessible. If you value organization and a wide array of tools for various leather projects, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate a well-structured setup for their crafting. What people say. The tools themselves are amazing. The scrap leather inside are medium-sized pieces. A lot larger than other kits I have bought in the past. Also, the cutting mat has been a game changer. Probably shouldn't be mixing arts, but I used it to cut out some scrapbook paper art with the X-Acto knife and it worked amazingly. These tools are a great place to start for leather working. They perform well and last. Number 3. Realeather Explore Leathercraft Kit. Discover the joy of leathercraft with this all-in-one kit. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to get started on your creative journey. Inside, you'll find pre-cut and pre-punched leather pieces, along with practice materials and all the necessary tools. We've included easy-to-follow instructions to guide you every step of the way. Let your imagination run wild as you create custom patterns and borders. Personalize your projects and make them truly your own. This kit allows you to craft a variety of items, including a stylish card sleeve, a personalized bookmark, a durable laced key fob, a comfortable wristband, and a unique bag tag. No prior experience is needed. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to explore the art of leatherworking. Start creating beautiful, handcrafted items today. What we like. This kit is designed with beginners in mind, including pre-cut and pre-punched leather parts for immediate crafting. If you're new to leatherworking and want a simple, guided experience, this is the perfect starting point. It makes creating projects like card sleeves and key fobs incredibly straightforward. What people say. It's a great starter for someone new to working with leather. Love that it comes with a sample scrap of leather to experiment with along with a few projects that can be fully made and gifted. Otherwise, the tools that were included are high quality, and I had fun. Tools are thick and work good. Number 2. FifthQuarter 458 PCS Leather Working Tool Kit. Embark on your leather crafting adventure with our comprehensive 458-piece toolkit. It's designed to provide everything a beginner needs to get started. We prioritize your safety and hobby. Each tool undergoes rigorous quality checks, ensuring you receive only the best for a secure and enjoyable crafting experience. This kit focuses on essential tools, offering 458 pieces that are genuinely useful for your leatherworking projects. You get exactly what you need, nothing more. Keep your workspace tidy and your tools accessible. The sturdy zip-up case features dedicated slots for every item, making it easy to find what you need, when you need it. Included instructions guide you through the function of each tool, making it an ideal starting point for beginners. We're here to support your creative process. Skip the hassle of buying tools individually. This kit covers all essential operations like cutting, stamping, stitching, and carving, providing a complete solution to start creating. What we like. With a focus on quality and practicality, this kit ensures you have all the essential tools without unnecessary extras. If you prefer a curated selection of reliable tools and appreciate a sturdy zip-up case for easy storage and transport, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for those who value durability and efficiency in their leatherworking. What people say. The tools in this kit are, I assume, mid-range quality. But for the price, I was shocked. The tools came already sharpened, seem to be made of quality materials, and take and hold an edge well. Everything I needed to get started was included except leather. The case is a nice bonus, and also seems to be of decent quality. It keeps everything organized, and I've customized it a little for my own use. This set contains what is needed for beginning leather crafters. The case this set comes in is nice, but I wish it had a handle or strap, which I think will make it easier to carry around. Number 1. BUTUZE Leather Working Tool Set 440 PCS. Introducing the most complete leather working tool set, designed for both beginners and professionals. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to bring your leathercraft ideas to life. With 440 pieces, this set includes a wide variety of tools such as hole cutters in 52 shapes, number and letter stamps, wax threads, rivets tools, and even a leather apron. You'll find all the essentials for any leather making project. Create crisp and precise cuts with our sharp punch cutters, featuring various circular, square, and oval shapes. Personalize your leather or metal creations with the included number and letter stamps for a truly unique touch. Sewing and working with leather is made easier with the included lacing pony to hold your material firmly. The leather apron protects you, and its thoughtful design with multiple pockets keeps your tools within reach, preventing neck strain. This extensive kit covers every step of leather making, from stamping and dyeing to punching. Detailed instructions and various leather mats are provided, empowering you to create your own custom bags and purses with ease. Save time searching for individual tools. This all-in-one leather working kit is the ideal solution for anyone passionate about leathercraft. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves to create. What we like. This is the most comprehensive leatherworking set available, including a protective apron and detailed instructions for all processes. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that covers every aspect of leather making, from punching to stamping, this kit is for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to dive deep into leathercrafting with all the necessary gear and guidance. What people say. The leather carving tools are very sharp and durable, making intricate designs easy to achieve. This leather stamping set includes a wide variety of popular patterns, perfect for beginners and professionals alike. The ergonomic design of the handles reduces hand fatigue during long crafting sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.